So this is my short review of this Geeetech printer Prusa i3. I ordered this from eBay, and this was a kind of a fun project. It took me 10 hours to make this. 10 hours because I polished all these linear rods and made fine-tuned everything and make sure everything is perfect. You could definitely make this in 5 hours or 4 hours or something. The instructions were kind of bad. They, for example, they didn't show how to assemble the U-axis end stop, and some other bits were a bit unclear, so I had to just kind of think what I was supposed to do. But it was definitely fun building this. And I also modified, I machined a little plug here, and so I can have double extruders, and made a holder for the filament here, and made a bit more support for the Z-axis, and made better bearings here for the belt. The extruder weighs quite a bit now, so the machine starts vibrating, which is not a good thing. And the board, the electric board wasn't working, so I had to email Geeetech and they sent me another one. But I got it working, and it's been working now, and it's easy to use. I made these spiral base things. These are very easy to make, and they look good. There's a skull, a planetary bearing. This looks kind of horrible. But yeah, fun project, very easy to make. But I just keep looking like the things that could be done better, and I always want to fix them. It's just sort of annoying because I know it can be done better, but yeah, it doesn't really help that much, because at the base it's a very cheap machine, not very well built acrylic plastic machine. So, but for the price, I think it's very good, of course, because this is the kind of cheapest ones that there are. And this is definitely usable. I have printed parts that I really can use.